and happy Tuesday and happy Memorial Day and welcome back to Homeschool with Carly. Today I have something really special lined up. We are going to make magic art, which is kind of involved with science. So let's get started. We need a couple of materials. First being a big Tupperware filled with water, an array of markers, and some toilet paper, or you can use paper towel for this experiment as well. Alright, so let's begin. So first you're going to want to grab 2 things of toilet paper. So you can see that I have 2 squares. I have 1 square and then my second square over here. If you're going to use paper towel, just make sure that you grab 2 sheets that are connected by this perforated line, okay? Alright. So you're going to lay this out in front of you and you are going to fold it in half, all right? So you're going to have it folded in half like so, and you are going to draw a design on one side, okay? So I will show you what I mean. I'm going to use my black marker for this design, all right? So I am going to draw a cloud. So, I'm going to draw my cloud on top of this toilet paper, and I will show you. So, I have my little cloud, and I drew it on top of the toilet paper. Now, remember, this was a sheet that was completely open, right? I had 2 pieces of paper, right, like this. I folded it over and I drew my design on the top, okay? So you're going to want to go over this design a couple of times because you want this design to go through to the other side. Now, you may only have to do this once and it completely goes through and shows on the other side. But if not, take that time and just go over it one more time. Make it nice and dark, okay? So it might be helpful for this design to use a dark marker like black or maybe a navy blue, okay? So once you have that design, you're going to open up your paper and you're going to see this little design on the other side, right? That's exactly the same. You're going to color that in and maybe use different colors, okay? So I'm going to use a little bit of green, right? Maybe I'll want to use some yellow. And you can color it in however you want. This is your design, okay? So, what did all of you do for Memorial Day? Did you spend your time outside? Did you enjoy a fun meal? Did you get to go on a Zoom call with your family? What did you do? So for Memorial Day for me, I spent a majority of the time outside. I love being outside, especially on sunny days. All right, I am almost done. I'm going to make my last few touches. All right, and then I will show you what I've done. All right, so we have our design on the outside. Then you're going to open it up and you should have a color on the inside, okay? So now you're going to close that up. We're going to grab that tub of water, okay, and place it in front of us. And we're going to lay this on top of the water and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys with me. Okay, ready? I'm going to lay this on top of the water and let's watch what happens. Whoa! You see how the color came through? Isn't that awesome? So why did this happen? Why were we able to see this awesome magic trick? Well, for starters, paper, when it gets wet, becomes translucent. And translucent means that light can pass through. So it's basically almost see-through. If I were to take this wet paper towel out and hold it up to the sunlight, I would be able to see through it because it's translucent. So when we colored that design on the other side, right, and then we folded it over, those pieces of paper then became connected, right? And when you placed it in the water, the paper got wet and became translucent. So that top layer that had the design, the black cloud, right, became see-through, and we could see through it, right? And we could see the colors come through. How awesome is that? So now we have this really cool design, a colored cloud, right? And the outside around the cloud stayed white, but only inside the cloud was colored just where I colored. How awesome is that? So I want you to try different designs and see what you come up with. Tell me what you thought of this assignment in the comments below. I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye!